Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to put flash on iPhone when someone calls. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your settings app on your iPhone and scroll it down until you find accessibility and tap it. And then scroll a bit more and you have to tap audio or visual, and I'm gonna click right now. Scroll it down, tap on LED flash for alerts. This will whether your iPhone is set to both ring or silent. Also, this feature only works when your iPhone screen is locked. And here I'm gonna tap flash on silent too. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.